Hello, Bring a Trailer on YouTube. My name is Bernard. I'm the car finder, and welcome to the Car Finder Garage. Here's a 2004 Lexus LX470. I drove it home last night. We're going to do a cold start video right now. Sorry about the glare.
Hey, go ahead and...
All the dummy lights work. Cold start video here. Also going to activate the suspension. I'm going to go low. You see suspension is dropping. Okay. That's completed now. Gonna raise it up all the way to high. Okay. You see it's raising up. Raising up. Almost complete. Okay, cycle's complete. Went all the way from low to all the way high. Complete. Now take it down to normal height. Go for a test drive. This thing absolutely drives fantastic. Super nice car. Very clean, especially for its age. Door's locked. Backup camera works. Mirrors adjusted, going to reverse and to drive. Close the window actually. Thank you. Stuff moving in the rear. Everything works in the car. All the windows work. They go up and down. Radio functions. That's important on these cars. Antenna functions. And it adjusts as well, up and down. Some music is playing. Downshift real quick. No vibration in the brakes, has new Michelin tires on it, tiny belt service has been completed. Overall, a great car. I'll do a test drive video on the highway as well next. Thank you for watching.